want $500,000 of life insurance without ever having to pay a premium? Hi, it's Paul Morrow. I'm going to tell you how you can get an extra $500,000 of coverage, even if you have medical conditions, you've been sick, you try to get insurance, you can't qualify, it's late in life. Relax on that. Some of the new programs that are available that you can get for income planning also have increasing death benefits. And let's just talk about a small amount of an IRA or an investment account. Let's say $250,000. You take $250,000 and put it into one of these lifetime income plans. And let's say you don't touch it. You just let it accumulate and you let the death benefits accumulate. They go up based on the index you choose. In the program that I'm looking at right now that we just did, that index is 150% of the S&P. That's a pretty good number. And so a $250,000 single deposit can grow over 15 years to about $800,000 of tax-free death benefits if you use this in your Roth. So here's the story. Imagine for a second that you could produce an extra $500,000 or $600,000 of tax-free money. That's plenty of money to pay the taxes on the rest of your IRA. So if you want to get insurance without a premium, that's what these programs are called. They're lifetime income programs with an increasing pool of death benefits tied to whatever index you like. So if you start off at $250,000 and it only goes up at 6% a year, it's going to double in 12 years. If it goes up at 7% a year, all that extra money, if you put this inside your Roth, is tax-free money to pay the taxes on the rest of your IRA for your family. This is a key reason why converting at least 25% of your $1 million IRA makes the whole thing tax-free. Instead of leaving a $1 million IRA to your kids when they only get $600,000, do a small conversion. The fixed income portion, you probably have 75% in equities and 25% in fixed anyway. Convert the fixed income portion to a guaranteed increasing death benefit program. Now, you never give up the money. If you die the first or second day, the family still gets the money, but the longer you keep it, the higher the death benefit goes, and you never pay an insurance premium. This is hot. So for those of you that are following along on the channel, subscribe, share this with your friends, especially your friends that have had any medical issues that prevent them from getting traditional insurance. Staying on top of how you can get tax-free death benefits paid to your family without you paying a premium, wow, that's just the art of being smart.